Hi, this is Bajaneri. Today I am talking about the three lessons the world can learn from this country. The country is South Korea. We can learn lot of so we can learn from wo- wo- we can learn from this country so much. So they are the three these are the three success lessons the world can learn from South Korea. Why South Korea? In 90s, in 1960, the Korea GDP per capita is lower than the Ghana. Today, today it is one of the 15 richest nation of the world because they have worked in three sectors: education, innovation, and culture. Education first, because in 1965, in 1950, 78% population was illiterate. No universities, very few schools after Korea War. Farming nation, farming nation, most families had no formal education. Students had no books, no classes, studied in rains. But now we can see the first OECD for tertiary education, 93% rate, and top 5 globally in PISA. PISA is Program International Student Assessment. The math, science, and reading. They are leading on this. 4.5 of GDP invested in R&D in every year. They have invested 4.5 of our GDP in R&D for innovations and educations. And Seoul National University rank amongst Asia best. Today, like and comes to innovation and technology part. In 1953, GDP per capita uh, just $67, one of the poorest. No industry base, no factories, no technologies, depend entirely on the US foreign aid to survive. Known only for agriculture and cheap manual labors. But now, Samsung, world first memory chip and smartphones maker, 1.5 billion GDP, fourth largest economy of Earth, first country with a nationwide 5G network in 2019. Global EV factory supply led by LG, SK, and Samsung are SDI. And and the last part is culture resilience. In 1980, Korean language and culture almost unknown globally, and entertainment industry was tiny and global perspective. Government censored most creative and artist content. Korea food and fashion had zero international presence. But you can see in nowadays, BTS generated $5 billion for Korean economy in 1 year. Parasite, first non-English Oscar Best Pictures, 2020. K-beauty is a $13 billion global industry and 100 million plus value fans across 190 plus countries worldwide. So we can see Korea comes from there, and now what is the position of Korea? Korea it built itself. Korean people work hard, work hard. They invest in R&D, education, their cultures, uh, their their entertainment industries, their people. So Korea comes now here. We can see in 1950, Korea was devastate the nation. GDP is zero. First industry export and policy system began. 1965, Korea has started first industry export policy and the chaperone system begins. In 1989, Seoul of Olympic, Korea showed itself to the world. In 2002, FIFA World Cup co-host IT boom began. And in 2022, Gangnam Style, first YouTube video to hit 1 million views. Gangnam Style. From Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style is the first YouTube video to hit 1 million. In 2020, parasites win Oscar. COVID has hit kids exposed to 120 plus nations. In 2024, top 15 global economy, first in cheap. Have you ruled the world? From $67 from $67 GDP per capita in 1953, 35,000 plus today. You can see from $67 per capita in 1953 and now $35,000 today. From 70 plus 78 plus literacy is now first educated nation from unknown to global culture. But the country and organization applied. Every country should invest in this area: education, innovation, and culture. Korea, uh, Korea, Korea work on this area. Korea understand this area is important to our for growing our nation. So Korea work on it, and uh, they really know how to make a system for our GDP growth. So it makes the it to know about the where we they have to invest and they invested in this area and the you can see the Korea growth nowadays and where Korea is from and where Korea is now. So this is the Korea growth and we can learn from this country how they work on their nation, how they work on their nation. In our India, we do not work on this area. We mainly work on one or two areas in this three most common areas. So first we need to work on it, and Korea has built a example for the world how to grow and how to uh, how to show the world how the growth will have how the growth will can achieve. They have shown a roadmap to them. They show the roadmap on the nation all the classes. आपने इसको दोबारा देना अभी हाँ अभी क्या करना है सेम पीपीटी इसको बार बार डिलीवर करिएगा अगर नेक्स्ट टाइम भी आप इसको डिलीवर करिएगा क्योंकि मुझे ना लोगों से बात करनी है मुझे बताना है उन्हें मुझे खाली रीड आउट नहीं करनी है सोचो मैं उस देश का ही आदमी मुझे अपने देश के बारे में बताना है कोरिया के बारे में कि भैया मेरे देश के बारे में जानो तो आपके अंदर एक्साइटमेंट होनी चाहिए क्या नाम है सर आपके पीपीटी का पीपीटी का नाम क्या है जो ऊपर नाम लिखा होता है आप इसको लिखने ना पढ़ जाने के लिए हाथ से नहीं पढ़ना आपको हाथ से तो सिर्फ आइडिया है कि आपको एक बार को नहीं बन रहा है पॉइंट्स पता लग जाए ये तो हमने फिर भी लगाई है बच्चों के लिए
ठीक है, ये मेन इसका आइडिया क्या होता है, कंटेंट देखना नहीं होता है, मेन आइडिया होता है कि आप कैसे दिख रहे हैं फाइनल आउटकम में, वो पर्पस होता है इसका। उसके लिए हमें स्क्रीन पे ही देखना पड़ता है, हमें एक्सप्लेन करना पड़ता है। सपोज आप स्टैंडिंग के हो, मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ, नाउ आई एम रीडिंग वन पॉइंट, अब मुझे वो पढ़ना नहीं है, अब मुझे बताना है वो, तो सिर्फ आपको इसे मोड़ना भी नहीं होता, आपको बस हल्के से देखना होता है, एज यू कैन सी हियर राइट नाउ, बट अब हल्की सी ग्लेंस चाहिए होती है, आपको पता है ऑलरेडी क्या लिखा हुआ है, समझ पा रहे हैं, आप प्रिपेयर करके आए हैं, आपको तो बस हल्का सा स्कैन चाहिए एक सेकंड का कि हाँ ये लिखा हुआ है, मुझे याद है। फिर उसके बाद वहां जो है वो आपको एक्चुअली हेल्प कर रहा है, इट इज स्टिल हेल्पिंग यू, है ना, कि एक बार को मुझे नहीं पता तो मैं सामने से देख सकता हूं, मैं रीड आउट कर सकता हूं।